Want to attract more customers without sounding salesy? Let's talk content marketing. Content marketing is a strategy that helps you build trust and grow your audience by sharing helpful, valuable content instead of just promoting products. Think blogs, videos, posts, or podcasts, all designed to solve your audience's problems. Let's say you sell fitness gear. Instead of just saying buy now, you create a video like 5 ways to burn fat fast at home. And then you mention your product inside that useful content. That's content marketing. It's help first, sell later. Content marketing helps you build trust, improve SEO, attract loyal customers, position yourself as an expert. Want to create content that actually works? Let's break down the components of content marketing. Content marketing is more than just making videos or writing blogs. It's a complete strategy. To make it work, you need to understand these key components. First, content strategy. It's your roadmap. Who are you targeting? What platforms? What kind of content? All decided here. Second, content creation. Blogs, videos, podcasts, infographics, your creative zone. Third, content distribution. Your content needs an audience. Use social media, SEO, email, and paid ads to reach the right people. Then comes SEO. Optimize your content so it ranks on Google. Next is audience engagement. Encourage likes, comments, shares, and conversations. Now track it with analytics. Check traffic, clicks, and conversions to see what works. Don't forget content repurposing. Turn one blog into multiple posts, videos, and reels. And finally, governance. Maintain your brand voice, quality, and consistency across all content. These are the building blocks of effective content marketing. Master them, and your content will work smarter, not just harder. Like this video, hit subscribe for more marketing tips.